Hey everyone, good to see you. Just a quick note about this week, just a couple of kind of logistical things, instructions. Just short little video here to point to a couple other things. I think I mentioned last week that I was going to put up for this week the video that is an interview that Dana Prush from the Center for Pastoral Leadership at NTS did with Dr. Ed Robinson and me a couple of years ago. And we're talking about this whole construct of the pastoral office under the rubric sort of the priest, prophet, shepherd, king, shepherd, servant. So that'll be the basis of kind of what we're thinking about this week. And on the way there, I wanted to note that on Wednesday this week, so November 13, right, is Wednesday. I'm going to invite, I've invited, and I sent, this is just a follow up to the email that I sent you all. So hopefully you're all on top of this. But I'm going to do a Zoom conversation with Dr. Steve Estep, pastor at Marion First Church in Ohio. And he's our pastor in residence this fall semester at NTS. And so we're going to kind of just have a conversation with him relative to sort of what I've called in the syllabus nitty-gritty church stuff. And so two things I'd like to request from you, or well, one thing I'd like to request from you, and the other thing I'd like to invite you. The invitation is simply that you're welcome, and I'd love to have some of you join into that conversation. In fact, for those of you who live in Kansas City, if you want to join me in the room, we'll be in room 200, the conference room. It's at noon Central Time on Wednesday. And I'd love to have a few of you in the room for that conversation with Dr. Estep, and he'll be on the screen joining from his home. And then others of you that are elsewhere would love to have you join us via Zoom. And I sent you those instructions with the login. I'll post that into Moodle too for this week so that you have it accessible. It's not required by any means that you join us for that, just offering that to us. And then what we'll do is take that video that's recorded, the recording of it, and post it next week, or at least maybe part of it, for our conversations here in the next week or two, as sort of the content basis for those. Okay. So hope that makes sense. The request I have is, what would you like to talk about? And for those of you who might be able to join us, be thinking about that. But for others who can't join us at that time, which I totally understand given schedules and all that, it's no big deal. What would you like to put on the agenda? So what I'm especially thinking about is, along the way, I think I might have mentioned this to you at the beginning of the year, but I've often heard students say, well, in seminary, boy, I wish we had talked about blank, particularly relative to the practice of ministry, obviously. And so if there are some particular areas of ministry, whether it's more the theological framework of it or whether it's very much the practical practices of ministry, I'd love to know what those areas or particular questions you might have are. And I don't know that we'll be able to get to all of them necessarily, but would just like to welcome you. Maybe just send me an email or something with those, and we'll see if we can work those into the conversation. Okay, so hope that makes sense. Please shoot me a note if it doesn't, and I'll probably send out a quick reminder maybe Tuesday or something, and we'll go from there. Okay, thanks. Bye.